Welcome, dear viewers. Today we are going to talk about the must-have application when you come to Thailand, the one that I personally found the most important and useful. Let's get started. I'm gonna go ahead start with SkyScanner. SkyScanner is a flight booking application. Imagine it as a search engine for a travel website. You put in your search, date, departure, country, round trip, your budget, etc. It shows you the best option and you go ahead and pick. The process is very simple. Other than that, you can go ahead and book hotels, transportation via SkyScanner as well, which is basically a third-party agent. It has tie-up with all the other sources of flight booking websites. Imagine this, you're traveling last minute and you don't know how to just go ahead and get a last-minute flight. SkyScanner got your back. The next day, the same afternoon, it will show you what's available and the best suitable option. Now, this is a next must-have app, the Grab. You guys might have heard a lot of YouTubers talking about it. Even I mentioned about Grab in my previous videos. That's how important it is. It is Uber of Asia. And not only in Thailand, it is available in a lot of countries in Asia. So you book your taxi with the most decent fare, because in Thailand, what happens if you go ahead with a local taxi, they bargain a lot and you're new over there, you don't know what kind of rate to accept. And many times these taxi will not turn on their meter. So just scratch that hassle and get yourself Grab. Even motorcycle taxis are available in Grab as well. Not only just taxi services, you can order your online food, grocery, pharmacy, whatever you need, Grab got you covered. Speaking of food and traffic, a lot of time we just call food in. There are two online food ordering applications you need to download, Foodpanda and Eatigo. Eatigo offers a wide range of discounts on international cuisine restaurant that is available in your local area. In the middle of the night, you don't have to worry, you just call in your food. Foodpanda, on the other hand, I highly recommend because it is always good to have options, and these guys are competing with each other. What I tend to do, I hop between Grab, Foodpanda, and Eatigo and see what's the best deal and availability out there, and I go with that. The next step is the communication app. Go ahead and download Line. I learned it hard way. It happened so that we were at the visa extension office. I needed to send my tickets and my pictures to be printed. They accept Line. All I had to do is just go ahead and download Line right away so that I can transfer my documents over. I went ahead and deleted the app. I thought that what's the use of Line? But no, our laundry lady, I have to contact her via Line. So Line is a very important and crucial application in Thailand. Everybody uses it. It is just like WhatsApp or any messaging app. People use it commonly on everyday basis over here.
Hi, I just wanted to add one more very important application, that is XE, which is a currency conversion application. You do want to have that because a lot of time I don't know if an item is expensive, which happened with the sunscreen. It just sounded pricey to me and I looked up in XE and I was right. So that's an example. Yes, you do want to be aware of how much you're spending and how much it's actually worth.
Another app, Lazada, and that is Amazon of Thailand. I mentioned because Amazon do not cater in Thailand. So forget about the life of Amazon, the next day Prime delivery, that's not gonna happen. Go ahead and get yourself Lazada. You are good with online shopping. In fact, the deals are better, quality are good. Make sure that you check out the review picture before getting any items from Lazada. It offers everything, electrical stuff, your fashion, home equipment. I had my sister stay with us in Thailand for a few days, so I went ahead and bought extra mattress, pillow, and blanket from Lazada. But if you're somebody who enjoy online shopping, Lazada is going to be your best friend. And of course, it accepts all kinds of credit and debit card from any part of the world you are coming from. Last but not the least, Google Translator as well as Photo Translator, and I'll break down both. The major language of Thailand is of course Thai. I do recommend you to learn some phrase, do learn basic commands. I'm gonna drop some link on the description below. You will be surprised, everybody uses it. That's how I communicate with my building people. Even in 7-Eleven, people use Google Translator. So here I have a bonus Photo Translator, because if you are in a restaurant and you're reading a menu which is written in Thai, all you have to do is take a picture and it translates you in your native language. A lot of product description when you're buying from the market is written in Thai language. Even the receipts are written in Thai. Photo Translator is going to be your another best friend. You should be set with all these apps already, but I highly recommend to have some kind of portable Wi-Fi attached to your device. So all the application won't work if you don't have connection in it. I couldn't use local SIM card. This is because SIM card is locked in my phone, which is why I went ahead and got myself a portable Wi-Fi. That will be all, my friend. I'll see you in the next video. Swadika.